Well, a lot of clouds out there this morning, not too different than we had through a good chunk of yesterday. It was a gloomy day for sure. Started out with a little bit of sunshine yesterday and then kind of like slammed the door shut after that. This morning, we're starting off the clouds out there, which is not an unusual beginning to a day in the month of June. In fact, pretty normal pattern headed our way. You can see, look a little gray up there in Bellingham, but everybody should see the sunshine this afternoon. It won't be nearly as gloomy as what we saw yesterday. Take a look out Everett Tower Cam looking pretty quiet as well. Just some low clouds that have developed overnight, and really around the Everett area, north of Seattle, there's a little bit of convergence, which may lift some of this low-level moisture. Might give us a few spots that drizzle out of that during the morning commute, but I don't think it's going to amount to anything, and probably not enough to cause any problems on the roadway. So that's definitely good news. Dropping southward, not looking too different as you get down towards the Tacoma area this morning, with just the clouds out there to begin the day. And at Granite Falls High School, also looking at kind of a gray start. Temperatures, rather checking the Doppler radar, see there's a couple of showers kind of showing up out towards the Cascades and up to the north. So again, you might see a little bit of drizzle possibly in the lowlands, but won't amount to much. That should wrap up. We should see the skies clear out to plenty of sunshine as we head towards this afternoon. Take a look at that countdown to summer. Just 7 days, a week from today, we actually arrive officially at the solstice, though between now and then it's going to be generally kind of cool and a little wet off and on. But honestly, given how warm it was in May and how dry things got there for a while, it's good to take this little break and just kind of dampen things down again and not have to worry about wildfires or wildfire smoke. The wildfire smoke, because we're going to be having onshore winds coming, bringing in clean air off the Pacific, it looks like, for the next week or so. Checking temperatures this morning, a few degrees cooler than they've been running lately, mostly in the low to mid 50s, and we've got some 40s out there towards the Strait of Juan de Fuca. Checking the satellite image, not a lot going on. You see the light blue, which is the low clouds, just kind of around parts of Puget Sound, but out towards the coast, actually, they're only partly cloudy this morning. We're going to look for that to burn off to sunshine as we head towards this afternoon. And then there's a little ridge of high pressure out there that's going to push through here on Thursday. That's going to give us maybe a couple of morning clouds. Otherwise, a sunny and warmer day tomorrow. Will be well into the 70s, it looks like, for Thursday. Does look like we're going to see a little weak system kind of moving here late Friday night, Saturday, which might give us a couple showers. Not much in that, but still on track to see a little bit more substantial storm head our way as we head into Sunday for Father's Day, unfortunately. Take a look at temperatures today. They're going to warm up a little bit. We're going to be running mostly in the mid to upper 60s around Western Washington. Really actually pretty close to what we saw yesterday. And then tomorrow we will start to see things warm up with mid to upper 60s for Everett northward, and then south of Everett. Look for high temperatures tomorrow getting into the low to mid 70s. And as we head towards the weekend, as we move into Friday, we're going to be looking for a partly sunny day. Chance of showers moving in on Friday night. Won't amount to very much though. And partly sunny, just a couple showers Saturday. Kind of rainy and cool on Father's Day. A couple showers are left over on Monday for Juneteenth, and then showers and cool again on Tuesday, and highs hanging mostly in the low 60s as we head into that last few days of spring.